Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make homemade chicken burger. You know your children when they don't want to eat anything with their chicken. Well, here is a way to get them to eat their rice or to eat anything you want by eating just the burger. All right, so we're going to be using rice, we're using chicken, pepper. This is a homemade spice. Let me know if you want recipe for this, but it has parsley, it has coriander, it has onions, it has pepper, it has ginger, garlic, just all the natural ingredients. I blend it myself and I just put it in the freezer. Okay, so you will need a food processor for this. So to the food processor, I'm going to add the pepper and the chicken that I'll be using for this, and I'll add the seasonings to it, and then I'll blend those first just to blend it down, and then I'll add the rice later on. Okay, but it doesn't really matter honestly. If you want to add everything all in one go, that's fine. You can go ahead. Once that's ready, we are going to add the rice into the mix. Ideally, you want the rice properly cooked, but even if it's not, trust me, the kids are not going to notice. This is literally the leftover rice from, the normal rice we eat and stew. So we are going to add one egg to it as well. I also ended up adding a leftover mushroom to this as well. So literally the beautiful thing about this, you can add mixed vegetables, you can add spinach, you can add broccoli, you can add any fruits, carrot, any fruits or vegetable your kids refuse to eat. You can add it in here and turn it into a burger for them. So I also used milk instead of water just to add a bit more texture to it and creaminess to it. Yeah, so basically if the what do you call it, the burger is being too lumpy or too hard, you don't want it to be too hard because these are kids that are gonna eat it. You don't want it to be too dry. You can use milk to soften it up and make it a bit softer in texture. So once it's blended properly and you look at the texture, it's soft, it's moldable, it's not too watery. It should be soft enough but moldable, and then it's ready for you to fry it. So if you want to mold this with your hand, you can, but I'm such a soft life babe. So I'm literally just gonna play with it, but it's still not bad. You will see the end result, it still looks nice. And you're going to fry this on medium heat, alright, medium heat, and we're also going to cover the pot to make sure the inside of the burger is cooked properly. Okay, and once it browns on this side, you can turn it around so that it will brown on the other side. And once you're happy with it, you can go ahead and bring it out. I wanted it to have more color to it so it doesn't look just bland. I want it to be very, very crispy and extra golden. But yeah, however you want the color of your burger to look, once it's like that, just go ahead. But if you want it to be a lighter color, reduce the fire to a low heat just to make sure you cook the middle of it before bringing it out. But another tip for you is if you feel like the inside is not cooked but is browned on the outside, just bring them out, put them into the oven, and bake them until you are satisfied. But yes, guys, that's literally it. It was really nice. The kids loved it. It lasted for 2 days. All of it, it finished in 2 days. I'm telling you. So they can eat this with burger. They can eat this alone. My kids didn't use anything to eat it. They just ate it like that. But when they're eating it, they have the vegetables in there. They're eating. You know they have the rice in there. They're eating, and it's really really delicious. Approved by the kids. Let me know if you decide to try this recipe out. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.